In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a storyboard in Higgsfield. Now, if you want to create better ads, cinematic videos, or AI-generated content that actually flows smoothly, then storyboarding inside Higgsfield is something you need to master. And of course, Higgsfield offers Popcorn, an AI tool that provides next-gen storyboard generator. You can check out on this specific URL, higgsfield.ai/storyboard generator. Now, to begin with, I want you to click the Try keyframes. What will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page wherein you can upload up to 4 images to guide or extend your storyboard. So let's do that right now. Once the images has been uploaded, you can simply describe the mood or action to create your scenes. So for example, you can type in anything and you can be detailed as you can. Now on the drop-down menu, you can choose the output images. If you want like 4, 5 until 8 results, you can do that. You can also choose the aspect ratio if it's 3:4, 2:3 until 16:19, or if you want auto by default, you can do that. But for now, we're going to choose the 16:19 and click the generate button. This may take a little while depending on the complexity of your prompt. At this point, while waiting, you want to make sure that you are not using a proxy or VPN because that could interfere with the rendering times. Once the render has been completed, make sure your lighting style matches, camera flows naturally, or the character stays consistent. If you are not satisfied with the results, all you have to do is go here at the section that says manual. Now you can write at your own pace, at your own time, on what happens on scene 1. For example, let's say this is about the problem. Scene 2 is going to be around product introduction. Scene 3 is about the product in action. And of course, the scene 4 is call to action. And again, take the time to generate. Once the storyboard is complete, review everything carefully. If not, tweak the prompts and regenerate right here. Remember, refinement is part of the process. Because a good storyboard saves you credits and time. Always plan your ending before generating. So think like a director, not just a prompt writer, and do not overload prompt with too many ideas. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to create a storyboard in Higgsfield. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.